Okay, today I have a Logitech G502 Hero mouse. It's having some trouble with the right click. Here's my actual old mouse that I happen to have, G502, not Hero, but basically same thing. And up here on the screen I have a mouse testing website. Just responds every time you press a button. So I'm gonna hold down. So there's left click, holding it down, moving around. It's still down, you can see. But when I do right click, let's see. It's fine because this is my old mouse. It doesn't have any problems. Okay, but I'm gonna switch it to the one that I'm talking about here. Give me a second. Okay, and now we got the other one in, the one that's having trouble. Left click, nothing going on. When I hold down right click, don't tell me it's gonna work fine right now. I just did it a second ago and I was showing the problem. Yeah, that's his. Let's see, there you go. You see that? I'm holding the right click down. And it's just freaking out. So I don't know if it just needs to be cleaned, the little tack switch inside there, or if the switch is faulty and needs to be replaced. But I'm assuming my version of a very similar mouse, that doesn't have the problem, just has, the same type of switch. I can just pop it in there and see if it fixes it. So I'm gonna open it up and check it out. Start taking this apart. If I remember correctly, I have to take these little pads off here, and I actually happen to keep my old set of replacement feet that I bought a long time ago. Came with 2 sets, so it works out. Although I'm not sure which ones I need to take off. That one, got 1 screw right there. Two more screws down here. They all look the same. Oh, I forgot that's how that comes off. All the weights are stored in there. That needs to be cleaned up. Okay, I'm gonna replace all the pads anyway. Oh, there's actually a screw under this little tiny guy right here. Didn't expect that. Come on, you can do it. Okay, so we're up to 4 screws. That's it, it's gotta be. Okay. I have no recollection of how this pops off. Please, come off. Pretty please. Oh, there we go. I'll see what I can do about cleaning that a little bit. Okay, so right click, that one right there. Try to just flood it with some IPA first. See how I can get some in there. Let's get a cotton swab. Maybe I can zoom in. Alright. I want to get some in there, obviously. Might as well put some in the left one for good measure in case that just fixes it, so if the left click is about to go, you know. I'll give all of these just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna just go connect this to the computer, test it out. Alright, back at the tester, got the mouse. Let's see what happens. Let's see, left click. That was me letting go. Left click is good. Alright, right click. It seems pretty solid. Alright, maybe it just need to be cleaned. That's great, saves me some time, don't need to swap out the switches. Alright, put this back together and just check it with the, real quick with the case on, just to double check there's no like problem with the position of the little plastic bit that hits it or something, you know. Alright, got the new feet on there, everything put back together. Back to the mouse test. Cord keeps falling. Okay, left click. Looks good. Infamous right click. Oh, I'm letting go. That's my mistake. It's hard to do with my left hand. Cool. That looks all good. Just needed a cleaning. Alright, see you later.